Anyone can be a construction project manager. Not everyone will be great at it, but anyone can do it. It's all about having a process. To be a successful project manager, you need to understand you are responsible for every single thing that happens on a project. You and the superintendent are where the buck stops with the client. You are client facing and can't blame anyone, even if it's not your fault. Changing the mindset to become the face of the company takes a lot of maturity. That said, if you follow this process, you'll be in the top 1% of all project managers and having clients begging you to manage their next project. I will teach you how. My goal of the Intermediate Construction Manager course is to teach you all of the responsibilities that need to be done on a project and the right way. That way, when you forward something along because your company has a team normally do that task, you know how it should look, why it should look that way, and how to make it happen so you can be a rock star to the client. A few things we're going to cover are how to review and understand complex contracts, construction accounting and reporting, and creating the perfect change orders. Regardless if you've been to college or not, you can learn to be a project manager in less than 10 hours. It just takes effort and diligence to not cut corners on even basic tasks.